Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace side view mirror Mitsubishi Outlander. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorting. Next, gather a trim tool, 10mm socket, ratchet, and the replacement mirror assembly. Work with the window up and protect painted surfaces with tape. Take photos of connector positions before unplugging to ensure correct reconnection later. Start by removing the small triangular trim piece covering the mirror mount and the door handle bezel using a plastic pry tool. Next, remove the 3 mirror nuts while an assistant supports the mirror to prevent it dropping. Gently pull the mirror away from the door to access the wiring harness and depress the connector tab to unplug. Inspect the old mirror for broken clips and keep all fasteners organized for reinstallation. Position the new mirror assembly so the pins slide into the door holes and the wiring harness reaches the connector. Hand thread the mounting nuts to confirm alignment, then tighten them evenly to manufacturer torque while holding the mirror steady. Reconnect the electrical plug and test mirror adjustment, heating, and folding functions before reinstalling the interior trim and handle bezels. Finally, reconnect the battery and confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.